videos. But today I am going to show you restaurant style cheese pakoda, which is very tasty and also easy to make. So let's start making it. So to make the cheese pakoda, I have taken salt as required, 1/4 teaspoon of coarsely crushed black pepper, 1/4 teaspoon of coarsely crushed coriander seeds, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, a pinch of hing, 1/4 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of sesame seeds, half cup of besan, 4 to 5 cheese cubes and 3 to 4 tablespoons of water. First, in a bowl, I will add the besan, hing, red chili powder, crushed black pepper, salt, turmeric powder, coriander seeds, baking powder, sesame seeds. Now we have to add the water slowly. We have to make a thin consistency like this. Now we have to dip the cheese cubes in it and then deep fry. Now I am going to sprinkle some chaat masala on it. Friends, do try this recipe and enjoy the tasty cheese pakoda. And friends, if you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe my channel.